had our first incident. I've lost the card. I've lost my card. Our travel card, money card.
We're in the New Forest.
Look, yes, we're in the New Forest. The main road to Barcelona, the main toll road, has been closed. I'm now going down towards Toulouse
To get some sausages.
to get some sausages. The lorries are all parked up. They don't know what to do. There's been traffic jams. Sorry I didn't get the card out. I'm still panicking over my card. But it's been put on hold. I'll get another one sent out to me. 3 to 5 days, but I have to give them the address for Colvert when I get down there. So we'll probably just try to get down to Colvert tonight. But we don't know what time, depending where we're going in this detour. We will soon find out. But at least we've got the card stopped. It hasn't been used since the last time I used it. I don't know how, I must have left it in the toll booth. I thought I lifted it, that's where the French customs stopped us. Maybe just because I took out the receipt, but didn't take the card out, obviously, so I can't find it anywhere. I thought I had it in the pocket along with the receipt. But these things happen, they're sent to try us. They did try me this morning. But we'll find out. They said the new card will come out, and that's fine with that. It's got a hold on it. I'm just trying to get down to Valencia or Barcelona now. But it's just the Tom sending us up the same way, so I don't know what we're going to do. Go to Toulouse and go down that way. See you shortly. Yeah.
Cheers.